Welcome to Bright Path Wellness. Come on inside, we're excited for you to come in. At Bright Path Wellness, we integrate Eastern and Western medicine. So Chinese medicine, acupuncture, we even do cold laser therapy, energy lasers, functional nutrition. So all around you, we have professional products that we use from anything from healing and sealing leaky gut to allergy problems, digestive issues, stress, strain, you name it, we work with it. And on purpose, we have all kinds of food that we have here that we've made that are gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, soy-free, on purpose because so many of our patients have digestive disturbances, including myself, so that's been the inspiration upon making all these things, properly prepared nuts and seeds, and even sauerkraut, kimchi, and seed loaves, kit mixes, all kinds of things like this. Our teas, our spices, everything is on purpose. So, for example, in our crackers, we might have kale, onion, and oregano. Why? Because it helps with stage 2 liver detoxification. Okay, now that you've seen our waiting room, come on in, let's see the rest of our clinic. Okay, this is one of our treatment rooms. So here we do a lot of acupuncture sessions and we do laser. This is our state-of-the-art Zirconia 635 laser. It's got 3 heads and has multiple FDA clearances for specific conditions. Patients adore this. I also use the Zirconia handheld laser, and as you see, violet and red. The violet, 405 nanometer, helps kill bacteria, yeast, fungus, and virus. So that's something that we use extensively here. And we use TDP lamp, transdermal penetration, especially when it becomes winter and we need to heat the body, warm it up a little bit so that you have better flow. We also custom blend herbal formulas for all our patient needs. And this is our main office. Here we do patient intake, health history forms, and our initial appointment is an hour and a half. We have the whole family come often, and we discuss all of their health issues and create an effective treatment plan in which they can start to build and regain their health. So, thank you for listening and look forward to seeing you guys soon. Wishing you light on your bright path.